In this video I listed 6 ways to fake GPS Pokemon Go on iPhone. You can find the method you are interested in and try it. Part 2. How to spoof Pokemon Go on iPhone with Virtual Location Tool. As one of the best Pokemon Go spoofers, Virtual Location Tool can help you teleport the GPS location on your iPhone to anywhere with one click. How to change location in Pokemon Go with Virtual Location Tool. Step 1. Download and install this Pokemon Go location spoof tool on your computer. Then launch it and click on Get Started on the screen. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB and click Trust on the iDevice for the prompt. Step 2. After loading the map, select Teleport Mode from the upper right corner. Enter your desired location in the search bar. Step 3. The Pokemon Go location spoof app will display address, coordinates, and distance. Click Move to instantly teleport to the new location. Part 3. How to spoof Pokemon Go on iOS with eTools. ThinkSky's eTools is a very professional iOS Pokemon Go spoof app. It is equipped with a lot of very useful functions, allowing you to manage and deceive your position like a professional. Part 4. How to spoof Pokemon Go on iPhone with iSpoofer. iSpoofer is another app that we would like to recommend for you for spoofing in Pokemon Go. It is suitable for Windows PC and can fake your location on iPhone or iPad. Part 5. How to fake GPS Pokemon Go on iPhone with Pokemon Go++. Pokemon Go++ can only run on a jailbroken iPhone. So if your iPhone has been jailbroken, then you can use this app to fake GPS on Pokemon Go. Part 6. How to change location in Pokemon Go on iOS with Tutu app. Tutu app is another working Pokemon Go spoof app, which allows you to capture all the Pokemon you want. Its function is similar to the regular Pokemon Go app. It provides joystick control to facilitate and speed up functions. Part 7. How to spoof Pokemon Go on iPhone with NordVPN. In addition to Pokemon Go spoofing apps, we can also use VPN apps to change your location. NordVPN is one of the most recommended VPN applications. It allows you to use any IP address anywhere in the world to change your location.